One is Pradnyana. Is Trinity 063. Today I will explain about 8 golden rules aspect and 10 heuristic aspect in Reddit. As you can see in the screen, it's a table contains explanation and review about Reddit. For the first features, the UI, just the usability problem is too complex. The UI of Reddit is too complex. The users cannot understand freely and quickly. The golden aspect rule number one, strive for consistency. The problem is Reddit UI is inconsistent across pages. Subreddit can vary in appearance, layouts, rules, and etc. Example, some subreddits have different formats. Users are confused. The analysis, lack of consistency means user has to adapt to each community. So each community is different from other community. It make Reddit is difficult to understand for underage, for beginners. From the 10 heuristic aspect point of view, number 8 is aesthetic and minimalist design. The problem, UI feels crowded and busy. Examples, lots of text, nested comments, not minimalist. And it's also tied in number 4, consistency and standards. Problem, UI inconsistencies between subreddits similar to the golden rules issue. For the number 2 features is the navigation. You can see in the screen, Reddit navigation is not, not beginner friendly. It type rule number 2, enable frequent users to use shortcuts. If there is no shortcuts, lack of shortcuts. Problems, shortcuts or efficiency are not optimal, especially for mobile devices. Applications still requires a lot of manual clicks. Example, not quick gestures for complex navigation, or user features are less noticeable. It's also typed in 10 heuristic, 10 heuristic aspect. Number 7, flexibility and efficiency of use. Problems is not optimal for advanced users. Example, navigating navigation is still a good test, not many shortcuts. So it makes users difficult to understand. To um, to visiting other page is difficult to understand. Okay, next, the features number 3 is upload and comments. You can see here's the image of Reddit. The moderator can deleting comments if it's not obey the rules. Rule number 3, offer informative feedback problem. Feedback is sometimes unclear or late. Examples, post fails to upload, but no explanation is given. Comments disappear due to moderation without clear notification. It's also from 10 heuristic aspect berkaitan dengan nomor 3, user control and freedom problem. No undo for some action. Example, deleted posts or comments are difficult to recover. Users need to choose the files to upload from beginning, so it's difficult to recover. Okay, next, from the design, it's type rule number 4, design dialogues to yield and to yield closure. Problems, there is not always a clear closing action. Example, after posting, there is not always a strong confirmation. Users are sometimes confused about whether the post was successful or failed. It also type In then heuristic aspect number one, visibility of system status. Problems. Status is not always clear. Examples, posts are still banned, but users don't know. And loading sometimes has no clear indication. For features number five is documentation. Here's type rule number five. Prevents error. The problem is Reddit is more about allowing errors than preventing them. Examples, you can post in the wrong subreddit without warning. There is no strong validation before submission. From 10 heuristic aspect point of view, it's type number 10, help and documentation. Problems, documentation is not user friendly. The language is difficult to understand from beginner users. It's I think it's only for advanced users. Examples, subreddit rules are often long and confusing. For features number six is no problem. I found no problem. Okay, next for the number seven is moderate moderator can delete a comment. Rule number seven, support internal focus of control problem. The problem is users sometimes feel out of control. Example, post or comment can be deleted by moderators without user control. Feeds are controlled by algorithm, not entirely by users. Moderators can delete comments if the comment is not related to post. It's it's limiting the users to commenting about the post. From the heuristic point of view, it's type number nine. Help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. The problem is unclear error. Example, post rejected without detailed explanation. For the last one is term. Reddit has many terms that confusing the users, especially for the beginners. Maybe they are not familiar with these terms. It's different also from the other social media. Reddit has so many terms. It's type rule number eight, reduce short-term memory loss. Problem is lots of terms. Karma, subreddit, flare, upvote. They are so unfamiliar terms of social media. I have an analysis. Users have to remember many concepts which cause cognitive overload. If we are remembering this term, I think is overloading my brain. It's type it's type number two and number six from 10 heuristic aspect point of view. Number two is match between system and real world. Problem is many unfamiliar terms. Examples karma, cake day, and subreddit. And the last is also type number six. Recognition rather than recall. The problem is users have to remember a lot of examples, has to remember a lot of terms. Examples, rules for each subreddit are different. Flare is not always clear. Okay, that's it. This is my analysis of Reddit. I found the um, saya menemukan sedikit kelemahan dalam Reddit yang perlu mungkin dikoreksi oleh developernya agar aplikasi ini bisa dipakai oleh semua orang. Tidak complicated. Okay, if you didn't know, Reddit is not available in Indonesia because it's blocked by government. Reddit didn't obey the rules of PSE. They didn't. registered application to government, causing they are blocked in Indonesia. In Indonesia. Okay, that's all from me, from my analysis. Thank you.